A Bollywood love story that still makes your heart flutter.
Lamhe.
Lamhe. And they're like, Aditi. And I'm like, just call twice, right?
Aditi. Wow.
Huh?
That level of ignorance?
Yeah, for 15 minutes it can be like that only. Yeah, see what earrings I'm wearing? Ye bhi match. Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Shit, he's so hot, man.
There he is.
Even in the latest film, you know.
I thought I was going to be an astronaut.
No shit.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Aditi. Thank you for watching us on India Forums, and we are doing the Sip or Confess game. Let's go. Whose handwriting is this, first of all? It's very cute. The funniest misunderstanding you've had in real life. Really likha hai na ye? In real life.
Funniest misunderstanding I've had in real life.
Yeah, funniest misunderstanding. That I thought you were going to the loo, but you went to the garbage bin. Like that funniest.
Arey, all the time. Funny
Vikesh
misunderstandings
bhaiya.
happen
Yeah.
all the time. I thought I was going to be an astronaut.
No shit.
Because I had the misunderstanding that I could be. Then they showed me the number of books that I have to read and how academically inclined I'll have to be that person. And then I was like, no.
Did you misunderstand between astronomy and astrology by any chance?
No, that time I didn't know
Astronomy.
about astrology. Astrology came much later, after my first breakup, I would say.
One of my friends said that to me. I wanted to become an astrologer and I became an astronaut. And
Whoa.
I said, wow.
How does that happen?
Yeah. Anyway, so
A personality trait that often gets you in trouble.
I'm a, what do you say, monitor. I'll go and I'll tell this one this, you know, and then I get, because unnecessarily righteousness is not good, na.
No.
कोई कुछ कर रहा है यार, मैं क्या है जरूरत बोलने की, करो.
तुला क्या है? जाओ.
हाँ, लगे. Okay, next. A love or romance propaganda you keep falling for.
That I need to buy this and I need to buy that. I need this and I need that.
Love or romance बोला है. Buying का नहीं.
रोमांस का.
Love for things.
अच्छा वैसा. नहीं, रोमांस का भी प्रोपेगेंडा रहेगा कुछ तो.
अच्छा.
Yeah, if you listen to a romantic song, you feel romance. That is not true.
Okay. I like this chitty thing.
A quality in your character you secretly envy.
That I can eat multiple times and I can eat multiple things in one plate at once. Like I can eat sweet also, I can eat this also, that also. Yeah, that's something.
Your character has that?
Yeah, I can eat sweet after eating something very spicy immediately. And my sister is like, but who does that? I don't. Oh, my. A Bollywood love story that still makes your heart flutter.
Lamhe.
Lamhe.
I mean, there are many, but abhi off the back, मेरे को lamhe ही आता है. A trait you picked up from someone you love or admire. I don't want to know what admire, say about love.
Okay, sure. A trait
Admire
that
is
I've
too
picked.
generic, yeah.
I think ignoring somebody to an extent that person can jump off a wall. That's a trait I picked up from someone I loved. Sorry. And I try it on people. Yeah, and I see other people feel
fun?
the same. Yeah, they cringe, and I'm like, and they're like, Aditi, and I'm like, just call twice, right?
Aditi. Wow.
Huh?
That level of ignorance?
Yeah, for 15 minutes it can be like that only.
I want that.
Okay, next. The most impulsive decision you've made in a relationship.
Yeah.
Confession.
Oh God.
Not good.
थंड झालं. The most dramatic thing you've done after a fight. Not in a fight.
After a fight. Depends with a human being or an animal. I fought with a dog once and I went and took injections.
No, they're,
With a
I
human
think
being?
they mean human
Human being. Okay, with a human being. Terrible fight where I went and banged my own car just to wake that person up. Like, now at least wake up! So after that, I only went and apologized. See, my life is thoda sad, I told you, na?
No, it's quite eventful, I must say.
That's why I go do Mardhad in the series that I get. सब गुस्सा उधर निकलता मेरा. Yeah, see what earrings I'm wearing. ये भी मस्त. Cool. Something you judge people for often and then feel guilty about it.
Or what do I judge people for? For their taste in things. You know, sometimes I judge people for their taste in a film or a song or a book or a wall color or whatever, and then I do feel guilty about it. Like, that's none of your business. And, I mean, it's terrible of you to judge someone on what they like. Everyone does. Right?
Everyone does.
Then I'm a good person.
I don't do well.
A habit you wish you could change in yourself.
Picking up calls, replying to people, and charging my phone. Anything to do with phone, Instagram, social media, digital media.
You want to change?
Yeah. A romantic gesture you once pulled off that backfired completely. Bonfire में वो खुद ही जल गया ऐसे कुछ नहीं ना?
No, I've tried
Pal-
surprising my partner a couple of times, but it's landed badly. Yeah.
Shit.
In
Really?
a funny way, not really like in a
Not like that.
dramatic.
घात नहीं.
नहीं कुछ
No,
घातक
no,
कुछ
no.
भी नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
But it was just ऐसे कि वेस्ट हो गया पूरा, पैसा भी वेस्ट हो गया, टाइम वेस्ट हो गया.
Huh? Only feelings.
Only
Okay.
feelings, my feelings.
Next.
The last time you apologized even when you weren't wrong. Arey,
Yesterday. Yesterday only.
You
I
apologized
usually, yeah, to my
even-
sister. Even when I'm not wrong, I have to apologize because elder sisters are such. If you're watching this, all elder sisters and all younger sisters, my heart goes out for you. Younger ones. A moment on set where your co-star surprised you. ये सब होता है क्या? They surprise me with lines which are not theirs.
No, I mean, a lot of times you think that this person is going to perform with this intensity or
Oh, that way, yeah.
they're going to do the scene this way, and then the way they do it is completely throws you off guard. In a good way, I guess. That has happened. स्पैम वाले मुझे फ़ोन करते रहते हैं पूरे. ज़्यादातर अहमदाबाद गुजरात से मुझे स्पैम कॉल्स आ रहे हैं. Nothing against it, what वैसा ही है. So, that has happened a lot of times.
Okay.
Once, I'll tell you a funny story. Once, many years ago, I used to do a TV show, and there was this new actor who came in, and we got quite friendly, and he was playing my father. And I really gelled with him because, he was very funny, and, he spoke sense, and he traveled the world, It was like great, and then we spoke about the scene that we were going to do the first day, and I was like, yeah, seems like this is going to be a great working relationship. Which it was, but then we went to do the scene and suddenly his voice changed. The moment he started acting, he's like, और बताइए हृतिक कैसे होगा? So first I laughed because I thought he's joking. And then I realized, no, that's his acting voice. Oh, he talks like this. और फिर जैसे ही वो acting करने लगते हैं तो उनकी आवाज़ थोड़ी ऐसे हो जाती है। अरे ये क्या हो रहा है जी, आवाज़ को क्या हो गया कि आप कैसे ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? But a lot of actors have this. They talk. They can't talk it like a human being. You know, I can understand if you're playing a particular character. If I'm playing, I don't know, Hitler, or I'm playing whatever, Donald Trump for that matter, I would then imitate his voice. I try to get his voice, but not when I'm playing Suresh or whatever.
Correct. I think it's your turn, no? He has more checks.
हाँ,
हाँ, 3, 2.
मेरे पास ज़्यादा सवाल है. A food, thing, show, or anything for which you were obsessed.
Oh, Something in the Rain Korean show, and then I got in touch with that guy also. I told Netflix to get me in touch with him.
They are worthy of obsession.
Yeah, like such a cute guy.
What show?
Something in the Rain.
Something in the Rain.
Yeah, the younger guy falls in love with the older girl. It's so adorable and very emotional. A red flag you tend to ignore.
Superstitions. I meet people, I think they have superstitions, I'll be okay with it if they have it, and then over the course of time it really bothers me. Like, what is wrong with them?
People who have superstitions.
Superstitions, yeah. Like a lot of superstitions people have.
Yeah.
And they're not subtle, they're like in your face.
That's boring.
Yeah, they make life decisions based on that. It's quite dramatic. Your all-time celebrity crush that won't change ever. Now, please, it's okay, Aruti. It's a मत पूछना.
देखो मतलब खुद ही मतलब.
Yeah, ठीक है, कोई नहीं. You can have a sip. It's fine if you don't want to. Then.
Okay, sure. I think Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Shit, he's so hot, man.
There he is.
Even in the latest film, you know.
Brad Pitt is damn hot.
Yeah, I love that scene he did with the
There is
racing
one
track.
very funny reel about Brad Pitt where he's doing some modeling shoot for some brand, and there's this guy who's doing commentary on it. Like, Brad Pitt, he's so hot, man. He's so old, but he's still hot. And then he's riding a motorcycle. Yeah, Brad Pitt's riding a motorcycle. He's parked, looking at the mountains. Yeah, he's making love to the mountains, looking at the river. Oh, the river.
Yeah.
Brad Pitt is sat back on the motorcycle. Now he's riding. He's kissing the air. The air is in love with him. It's just everything that Brad Pitt is doing. It's quite
Yeah,
funny.
but he's very hot.
He is very hot.
One irrational thing you have done for love.
I've had some really exorbitant holidays I've done
Yeah.
to places that I didn't want to go, but my better half wanted to go there. I'm like, okay, let's just go there. And I know I was not going to like it because I don't like the place, but she'd have a good time. It's a family thing, we should go. And then we went. And I didn't have a good time, but it's okay. It's quite irrational. I feel like I should have just said, no, I don't want to go, but then
But then you went. Okay.
things you do for love. Something you've done in anger that still makes you cringe.
Oh shit. It's quite intense. People might think that I'm really this person. So I'll skip that. But
Then you got to take a shot.
yeah. Cheers. Nice coffee.